C++ Assignment Help. For any help regarding CPP Assignment Help, visit https://www.cpphomeworkhelp.com, email info@homeworkhelp.com, or call us at +1 678 648 4277. Problem 1. C++ Linked List Library, list. Your job is now to refactor your C code from the second assignment and produce a much more flexible library with similar functionality, and this time in C++. Download the zipped folder provided in the file cplist.zip as a basis of your program, and take a look at the existing code. Write your implementation code in .cpp files in the src/directory. Feel free to add more header. Problem. Files is needed in the include/directory. Grader info.st is a file for the grader, don't edit, containing prog, cplist, lang, C++. As before, you should submit a zipped folder using the same directory structure as the provided zip file. cpphomeworkhelp.com. We've added a section in the make file for your convenience. If you type make zip in the same folder as your project, a zip file containing all of your code and the required headers will be constructed in the project directory, and you can upload that to the grader. We are provided a header file describing the interface for the list data structure. Look in the file list.h to find the functionality required of the other functions, which you will write. 2. Forward declaration of apply reduce types class apply function, class reduce function. Class list 2. Put whatever private data members you need here. 2. Can also add any private member functions you'd like. Public, list, size t length, const, int end value, size t pos, int value, size t pos, const, void append, int value, void delete all, int value, void insert before, int value, int before, void apply, const apply function, and interface. cpphomeworkhelp.com. Int value, size tpos, const. What is a forward declaration? Why is there a function int and value, size tpos, as well as a function? Int reduce, const reduce function, and interface, const, void print, const, 2, etc. Some questions to ask yourself for understanding. Why don't we include the headers apply.h and reduce.h here? You'll find those two other header files containing definitions for your apply function and reduce function classes, shown here. Hashtag include list.h. Class reduce function, protected, virtual int function, int x, int y, const equals 0, public, int reduce, const list and list, const, virtual int identity, const equals 0, virtual reduce function. cpphomeworkhelp.com. 2. An example reduce function class sumReduce, public reduce function, int x, int y, const, public, sumReduce, int identity, const, return 0. And then in the source code file. Hashtag include list.h, hashtag include reduce.h. 2. This works fine, but iterating over a list like this is too fairly slow. See if you can speed it up. Int reduce function, reduce, const list and list, const, int result equals. Identity. 4. Size tp equals 0, p list.length, plus p, result equals function, result, list.value p, return result. cpphomeworkhelp.com. Int sumReduce, function, int x, int y, const, return x plus y. Input-output format not applicable. Your library will be compiled into a testing suite, your implemented functions will be called by the program, and the behavior checked for correctness. For example, here is a potential test. Hashtag include list.h int main, int n equals 5. 2. You'll need to write a copy constructor 2 to be able to do this. See lecture 5. Auto list equals list. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than n, plus I, list.append I, list.print, return 0. Upon calling this function, the code outputs 0-1-2-3-4. or whatever your formatted output from list.print is made to look like. You are strongly encouraged to write your own tests in test.cpp so that you can try out your implementation code before cpphomeworkhelp.com. Submitting it to the online grader. Best practices. The problem is only worth 500 out of 1,000 points when you submit. The rest of the grade will be based on how well your code follows C++ best practices and object-oriented programming principles. See a list of those here. The rubric for the other 500 points is as follows. Plus 500 points. Code is eminently readable, follows best practices, highly efficient, well-structured, and extensible. Plus 400 points. Code is easy to follow, only a few small violations of best practices, and extensible. Plus 300 points. Odd-ascent refactoring effort, no egregiously bad practices, might be difficult to extend. Plus 200 points. Some refactoring effort, lots of violations of best practices, not very extensible. Plus 100 points. Minor refactoring/improvements, little effort to follow best practices. Plus 0 points. No effort to refactor or improve code, basically direct copy of HW number 2. CPPHomeworkHelp.com. Look in list.h for a sense of the structure of the solution. The big idea to speed up the reduce/apply functions, while also giving users a nice way to iterate over the items in the list, is to create an iterator type within our class. Users will be able to write code similar to the STL // print out every item in the list for list iterator it equals list.begin, it equals list.end, ++ it, std, coot asterisk it \n, to speed up our append function. The list class will also store a pointer to the very last element in the current list. Directory structure, grader_info.txt, include apply.hlist.h. Solutions. CPPHomeworkHelp.com. List_node.h reduce.h makefile src apply.cpp. List.cpp list_iterator.cpp list_node.cpp reduce.cpp test.cpp. Here are the contents of apply.h. Hashtag if and def _6 s096 _cplist _apply_h hashtag define _6 s096 _cplist _apply _h hashtag include list.h class apply function, protected, virtual int function, int x, const equals 0, public, void apply, list and list, const, virtual apply function. CPPHomeworkHelp.com. // an example apply function, see apply.cpp, class square apply, public apply function, int x, const, hashtag endif // _6 s096 _cplist _apply _h. Here are the contents of list.h. Hashtag if and def _6 s096 _cplist _h hashtag define _6 s096 _cplist _h. Hashtag include xdef hashtag includes dexcept class apply function, class reduce function, class list node, class list, size _t length, list node *_ begin, list node *_ back. Public // can use outside as list, iterator type. CPPHomeworkHelp.com. Class iterator, // making list a friend class means we'll be able to access // the private _node pointer data within the scope of list. Friend class list, list node *_ node, public, iterator, list node the node, iterator, and operator ++, int and operator. Hashtag include xdef. Hashtag includes dexcept. Class apply function. Class reduce function. Class list node. Bool operator equals sad face const iterator and RHS. Bool operator, sad face const iterator and RHS, // can use outside as list, const _